Dirt Devil Dynamite HEPA filter, motor driven brush. It's been sitting outside for about a week now in about minus 18. Right now it's about minus 14, 15. I'm going to plug it in for the first time. We'll see what goes on with it here. See where the switch is for the, there's the on. Looks like the brush bar isn't moving. Any longer and it'll start burning the belt. A few little goodies in the filter, but nothing to clean that out. Guess I could brush the snow off now. Things are a little bit harder to do when it's colder outside. It's got a few screws here. I'll take the screws out and we'll go from there. But I can see there's hair in there, but it could be caught right there from the hair and stuff and wound out carpet. But not until I take it apart will I know. I don't want to run it that long and have to burn out the belt before I can find out if there's suction or not. No sense burning out a good belt unless the belt is already burnt. We'll find out. Okay, let's see if I can. Comes off. Yeah, the belt is burnt off already. I'll have to try to find one. Brush bar gets so clogged up, it does burn the belt after a while when it's not moving freely. Like this is taking long to spin it. See if I can get it out of there. Okay, have a look at this. Have a look at this brush bar here. No wonder why it's burnt the belt, eh? Now, if that was all cleaned all the time, that brush would, I mean, that belt would be good. So I gotta find a belt for this machine, and this needs a good cleaning. Get all the hair and carpet stuff wound out, especially around the bearings here. You can see it right there. And it's hard to turn, very hard. But now I can try out and see if the how the suction is in the actual machine. Get the canister back in. Start it up. The suction will come from here. Yeah, there is suction in there. Not the greatest suction. Probably the filter is all plugged up too. Yeah, I can't see daylight out of this filter, so This you have to wash out in the sink and dry it really good under the sun or in your heating vent. See, I can tap it and see all the stuff coming out. See, look at this. So it is plugged a bit. I'm wondering if anything got down in the motor, but doesn't look like it. Well, I went up to the store. They do not have this belt, the smaller belt, and they have them for bigger size machines, but not this belt. So I'll have to order it online. And the brush bar needs to be cleaned.